So, here's part 2, finally, of the rebuild of the ms341. Finally got the piston. Since the last time I made a video, I just put the cylinder on because I don't want any dust in there. So I just put it on and put all the covers on so I won't have a big mess of parts. And I'm going to show you the piston. Stupid thing. It's pretty nice. It's got a weird coating on it, but what I've heard, it's supposed to help with the braking. It's aftermarket, as you know. I measured it with the calipers and it's pretty true. So let's put it in. As you can see, the saw is back apart. It's all nice and clean in there because I put the cylinder on. Now I'm gonna install the piston rings. You have to make sure that the little notches, it's hard to see, but you can see they're tapered, and you need to make sure that you put it in the correct way. You can see the pin there, so focus, bitch. You can see the pin there, and you need to make sure you put, yeah, you know. I'm gonna use some 2-cycle oil to lubricate the piston while I put the rings on, and I also put some in the cylinder for putting the piston on later. I don't have a base gasket anymore. I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna use some silicone. The rings are on. Now we're gonna put one of the clips included in the kit on one side in the piston, and we're gonna put it over. Make sure the arrow, the arrow is towards the exhaust. So I'm going to pin on the right side. Then after that I can put the bearing in the connecting rod. And I'm going to push the pin through and put the other clip in. Oh, focus. The piston is in. It's got the clips in, although you can't see this one. It's very weird, but it's in, believe me. On the other side, you may be able to see it if you look very closely, but you're probably not going to see it. But it's in there. Now I'm going to slide the cylinder over it. We can almost start this thing after way too long. So, as you can see, I put cylinder on, the mufflers on, spark plugs in, coil and everything else. It took a long while because I broke one of the rings and I had to order a new one, but I think it's ready to run. So put the covers on and all, bar and chain. Let me do that. So, it's all back together. It turned out quite nice, I think. It's got a 16-inch bar on it. Just filled it up with aspen. Quite nice fuel, so I think I don't need to have to add any more oil. Let's see if she starts. As you've seen, she ran pretty good. A few things, because of the base gasket, is a little bit more compression. The squish is around 20,000 of an inch. I don't know what's in metric, but everyone is talking inches in that about that. But she ran good. First she had some problems with idling it's fixed after a tank. I don't know what it was, probably just break-in. Got the rings nice and seated. But she runs good. I've cut some pine with it. It cuts real smooth, real nice. It's got about 2 tanks through it right now, and it will get a job in a couple of days. Oh, thanks for watching, and see you next time.